How to remove or turn off Google Smart Lock on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. So the first step is to remove your Facebook Messenger credentials from your Google account. So for that, tap on Settings. Now head over to Google or Google Services. Now here you want to head over to Manage your Google account. Now go to Security, scroll all the way down and tap on Password Manager. Then from here you want to select facebook.com. Now here tap on the delete button, tap on delete again. Once you do that, you have successfully removed your credentials from Google account. Now the next step is to open up your settings again. From here you want to tap on the search icon and search for Trust Agents. Tap on this option. Now tap on Trust Agents from here, and here you can find Smart Lock option. So apps set as Trust Agents can unlock your phone without requiring you to enter your PIN, password or pattern when certain conditions are met, such as when a Bluetooth device is connected or when your phone is in a certain location. So if you want to remove or turn off Google Smart Lock, then you simply have to toggle this option off. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.